Oscar Pistorius and his South African teammates are moving on to the 4x400-meter relay final at the Olympics without even finishing their heats. The double amputee will get a chance to run for an Olympic medal after track officials awarded an extra spot in the final following a successful protest by South Africa. In the opening round Thursday, a Kenyan runner collided with South Africa's Uffin's Mogoane as he made his way around the final bend. Mogoane, running the second section of the relay, fell to the ground and clutched at his left shoulder as the baton rolled away. Set to run next in the relay, Pistorius stared at the scene in disbelief. He put his hands on his head and began walking off the track, figuring his time in London was done.